I'm actually really excited. Never in my wildest imagination would I think that I would be able to interview my grandfather, of all people, for my work. My name is Margot Shear. I'm a communications manager here at the University of Pittsburgh. Hi, you look nice. Hi.
Hi. My name is Sam Shear. I'm a Holocaust survivor. I was in a concentration camp for 5 years, and I wish would never happen again. I never thought I'm going to get out of there, because people dying every day. About 5 days before I was liberation, I couldn't walk no more. I laid on the ground, I talked to God. I said, Shema Yisrael, please, the war's almost over. Give me my strength in my legs. I woke up and didn't have no pain in my leg, and I finished that march.
When Daddy was little,
Yeah.
you didn't talk about the Holocaust.
No.
Why not?
Because it was hidden in my heart. I could not take it out.
One question about Tree of Life, the shooting that happened last year.
I felt the reason he done it is the same thing with the German done to my parents, to all the Jewish people.
The pictures of you at Pitt, how does that make you feel?
I think it's going to be a great thing when they do an exhibit, because that was something to show the public and the kids and the people what happened to us. I'm so proud since I got more beautiful children, build up a family, and I love all of them, and I still think somebody's looking over me.
This has been really special that we're able to do this.
Yeah, you know, I have to go to synagogue tonight.
Yeah.
Her mother and father be mad if I'm not ready.